Looking for a way to link several serial port applications with each other, or split a physical serial port and control a device with several applications? Virtual serial port driver. Create an unlimited number of virtual COM port pairs. Split a physical serial port into multiple virtual ones. Join physical serial ports into one virtual COM port. Create complex bundles, custom configuration of physical and virtual COM ports, and many more. Let's have a closer look. You can create multiple virtual COM port pairs connected via a virtual null modem cable. In Virtual Serial Port Driver, you can assign any custom name to virtual COM ports, not just COMX. Finally, you can configure the additional options such as strict baud rate emulation or create a custom pinout scheme. The system will recognize created virtual COM ports as physical ones and display them in Device Manager. Split a hardware serial port into multiple identical virtual copies. Join several physical COM ports into a virtual one to feed data from multiple devices into a single serial port. Merge physical and virtual COM ports within a single bundle. Add hardware serial ports to a port switching bundle to automatically detect which of the specified ports is not occupied and assign it to the application. Redirect serial data from a physical COM port to another physical or virtual serial port. Share a hardware COM port with multiple applications to simultaneously send and receive data. Split, share, join physical and virtual serial ports by creating complex configurations within one bundle. Create a loopback connection to test a serial port by sending and receiving data by the same COM port. Positive reviews confirm that Virtual Serial Port Driver is a proven and reliable solution. It is used by thousands of professionals worldwide, from developers to system engineers. Try Virtual Serial Port Driver and manage your serial ports easily.